Welcome, math wizards! Get ready to put your brain to the test with some fun and tricky math riddles. Let's dive into the first riddle. Here we go. Riddle 1. Missing numbers. Which number comes next in the sequence? 2, 6, 12, 20? The answer is, I know you got it right. Yes, it is. 30. Riddle 2. Missing digit. 5-3 plus 64 equals 597. What number replaces the underscore? The answer is 3. Riddle 3. I am a 3-digit number. My tens digit is 5 more than my ones digit, and my hundreds digit is 8 less than my tens digit. What number am I? The answer is 194. Riddle 4. How many squares can you count in a 4x4 grid? The answer is 30. Riddle 5. You have a pizza that is cut into 8 slices. If you and 2 friends each eat 2 slices, what fraction of the pizza is left? Did you get that right? The answer is 2 upon 8 or 1 upon 4. Riddle 6. If A equals 1, B equals 2, and C equals 3, what does 2C plus 3A equal? Yes, the answer is 9. Riddle 7. If there are 3 chickens, 2 cows, and 1 spider in a farmyard, how many legs are there in total? The answer is 22 legs. Riddle 8. I am a number. Multiply me by 4, then subtract 6, and you'll get 18. What number am I? I know you got it right. Yes, it is. 6. Riddle 9. You have $10 and chocolates cost $1 each. You can trade 3 wrappers for 1 chocolate. How many chocolates can you eat? The answer is 14 chocolates. Riddle 10. I'm an even single-digit number. Once you write me, I have no start or end. I look like a standing pair of glasses. Who am I? Did you get that right? The answer is 8. Riddle 11. Ashley buys 1 new toy every 30 days. How many toys does he have in 1 year? The answer is 12. Riddle 12. If you multiply me by any other number, the answer will always be the same. What number am I? The answer is 0. Riddle 13. If a boy blows 18 bubbles, and then he pops 7, eats 6, stomps 5, and blows another one, how many are left? The answer is 1. Riddle 14. When Pam was 8, her sister was half her age. Now Pam is 14. How old is her sister? Was that tricky? The answer is 10 years. Riddle 15. This number is the smallest prime number and an even number. What is it? The answer is 2. Great job, math wizards! Thanks for joining this fun math adventure. Keep challenging your mind and sharing these riddles with friends. Stay curious, stay sharp, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.